Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, in 2024, there is a good news, there is a big news which is coming here from Infosys. So, Infosys has finally started the onboarding or the joining process. You can see your scheduled date of employment us will be February 12th, 2024. So, this is a joining date which is given by Infosys, and definitely the location is Mysore, right? So this is the big news which is coming here from Infosys. Now, I will give you the complete detail in this video. Is it for specialist programmer, system engineer, right, DSC role? So each and every information I will give you in this video. Before that, friends, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that any update regarding any of the hiring, preparation, joining, each and everything you will be getting in our channel, right? Okay. Now, so friends, be very clear. So this particular Infosys update, right, is for a specialist programmer as far as I know. Anyway, I have put a survey here and you can see. So 108 people have voted and 9% has told they have received the Infosys onboarding date on 12th of February and batch 2022-2023, right? Okay. Now, here you could see in calculator, I calculated, so it is almost, 9 to 10 candidate has received the onboarding date till now, right? So definitely it will be happening in the step by step, it will be happening in the phases. So they cannot onboard or they cannot give joining to either a specialist programmer, system engineer, DSC role to everyone, right? So it will be happening in the phases. Now, so let me be very clear. As far as I know, so this particular onboarding or joining has started for a specialist programmer from the batch of 2022 or 2023. Now, if anyone is having any update, like it is happening for system engineer also, please let us know in the comment section. Okay. Now, so friends, what about system engineer? Those who are waiting from 2022 or 2023, right? Or 2021 also. So friends, see, now they have started the onboarding or joining process in 2024. So definitely you will be also getting, I cannot tell you the exact date, exact time, but somewhere what I feel is, right, so Feb end, right? So Feb end or March first week, you will be seeing the onboarding, right? So this is just my guess, okay? So this is just my guess. I do not have any concrete information on that. So by Feb end or March starting, you might see system engineer onboarding, but it should happen for sure, right? Okay, so many of the students are also telling. Friends, also one more update which I wanted to tell you. So as you are aware, Infosys is not going to hire student from the colleges this year, right? So basically they will be focusing more on the onboarding or the joining of the candidates. So the student who are waiting from long time, so will definitely should get a chance from Infosys, right? Either from a specialist programmer or system engineer or DSC. Now, there will be a certain candidates from a specialist programmer also who would not have received the onboarding or joining date. Friends, please have patience. As I said, so the onboarding is phases, like it will happen in the phases, right? So suppose in one time, right? So they can take 400 candidates for the training, and your location will be Mysore. So basically in Mysore, we will be having 6 months of the 6 month or 3 months. So it depends upon Infosys, right? So they will train you, right, for 3 months or the 6 month. It depends upon. Generally, it happens for the 6 month, right? So it will happen in the phases wise. So if you have not received from 2022, 2023 batch from SP, DSP, DSC role, then please wait. You will be getting it. And for system engineer, I expect, right? So my guess is like from Feb end or March starting, the onboarding or the joining should happen. But you can have a positive hope this year because companies like Infosys and Wipro is mainly going to focus on onboarding this year in 2024, right? So this is somewhat positive news. This is somewhat good news. So you can also please keep checking this, the community page, right? So where you will be getting an idea that how many people have received it, right? So now you see 123 votes and 10% has received, right? So now if you'll see, this will increase. So let me clear it. And 123 into 10%, right? So into 10%, so is equals to, so 12. So now so sometime back I told you, right? So nine people, now 12 people has received the onboarding date. So slowly we will get the the count in the community post, so you can also keep checking. And moreover, please keep checking our YouTube channel, because even a small update I will be giving you through our channel, right? So either hiring related or preparation, see preparation plan also we do. So I teach aptitude, reasoning, coding, all those things will be done on our channel. So single channel for all your placement needs is online study for you. So do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you, take care, and all the very best.